Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by Lovers.
Stibo Shabuzet. Stibo, I must say this. I don't care anymore what's happening. Bafana. No. Stibo, we've spoken. We've complained. Amara Snow White about Lurutla. Yeah, so we honestly don't care anymore what's happening. Stibo, I think the beautiful thing about South Africa is that whenever we are getting a spotlight like this, there's this specific player. History is made with that player. For example, the 2010 World Cup. If I say 2010 World Cup, thank you. You get what I'm saying? So, and South Africa is in the World Cup to actually allow Relay William Fukeng to shine. To make history for himself. Because currently, Relay William Fukeng stands to be the best player in the Premiership. That boy, I feel like he doesn't, as much as there might be competition, but currently where he's standing, he doesn't have competition. So I think we need to grant him that opportunity for him to make a name for himself.
Yes, true that.
The FIFA World Cup. So that in the next coming 20 years, Harry Bidza, the South African legends, so that he'll be able to be part of that. So South Africa is not in the World Cup to win. It's there to actually make a name for Relay William Fukeng.
True that.
We are not going to make it out of the group stages. We're not going to shy away from it. We are not going to make it out of the group stages. Stibo, I wonder if Snow White doesn't allow himself to understand that football is not about emotions. Football is not about favoritism. Believe you me, we could have been having a squad settling. What we saw today, it was embarrassing. The system in Elishab, first half, came second half. Hugo Brossier himself, the head coach of Bafana, he broke the system. So now it says a lot. When as a coach, if you build the system and then break it again, do you think we are going to play, you want to score against Mexico?
You can't.
No, okay, Relay William Fukeng can give us one of his beautiful free kicks just to put his name out there. And then Mexico can come and score us 2 more goals. Then we can only remember one person. Relay William Fukeng.
That's it.
That's the only thing South Africa is going for now. Because it's disappointing. Steve. Snow White needs to understand where there are best strikers that we have in South Africa. I understand that. So Snow White he now wants to become a father more than becoming a coach. He's more of a motivational speaker than a coach. That is why his team is sitting where it is now. Number 10. Number 10.
For top 8.
Fighting for top 8. And then you have a Snow White who now wants to become a father who's instilling discipline instead of coaching his team. It's becoming a problem.
Man.
He said a lot.
Press conference.
He said a lot. He said a lot. That's why Barra Snow White has a verbal diarrhea. So Snow White needs to sit down. He needs to go in front of a mirror, look at himself, and understand this might be his last year in South Africa, coaching a team. So do not deprive us from having success as South Africans. Yes, we are grateful for Snow White for giving us an opportunity to qualify for AFCON, qualify for the FIFA World Cup, but do not take that toasted bread out of our mouth just because you hate certain players who's giving us quality. That is a given. I don't think he likes Reynas. That is a given. One of the Grobler, you get what I'm saying?
Top goal scorer.
Stibo, Kulumani Ndaman, Cream. That boy needs to play for South Africa. Relay William Fukeng needs to play for South Africa. Apolis needs to play for South Africa. Marembol needs to play for South Africa. You have 2 friendly games. We have 2 goalkeepers. Gos, Lilina. Why not introduce Gos first game in Yahoo?
Yeah.
And then the second game, introduce Lin. Because already you know.
Williams that conceded every game.
Thank you.
You know.
You already know Williams. We know him.
know that.
So now you are feeding us. You are feeding us Williams. Ne?
Yeah.
When are we going to, okay, so that means Lina Legosi the ice boy. Are they there to
Williams.
exactly? Are they there to carry cooler boxes of water? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think Hugo Bros needs to start respecting us as South Africans. Yeah, he must not take us very lightly. Because we need to see what's going to happen. Other than that, Thibo, I don't have a man of the match. I think the man of the match is Kizam Taung Jr. for attending a Bafana match.